Hello guys, I'm gonna play 3 right now. And today I'm going to play the 4th level in 3 which is yeah. And also I'm going to face cam so you can see that I'm actually playing. So please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So without any questions and without further ado, let's start. What did I just experience? I have no words for this. Why is this? The ship part is so laggy. Well, I failed because my device doesn't handle the level, which is aircraft. Deluge drop. What is this? Why? Just why? Why am I lagging at the ship part? Why? Well, that's all. Have a good day.